Why Not Motors here with a 2010 Rossion Q1 American supercar. This is one bitchin' car. There's less than 100 of these cars ever built. It's got a twin turbo 3.0 Duratec motor in it. All-wheel disc brakes. They're cooled by induction airlines. It's a pretty cool car. It's got all the amenities. It's got heat, air, power windows, door locks, electric door locks. You can see this back portion of the car right here. Clamshells over to the rear of the car, and it's a rear mounted engine. It's a mid-engine rather. It's all dual exhaust. Cool badge on it, and a really nice racing stripe. You can see the vents for the motor. Really cool wheels. It's an awesome color combination, and it's got great contrast. The car's carbon fiber and fiberglass. It uses a Lotus windshield. All the radiators are out front, so the air blows out that way with electric fans. Sits super low to the ground. The car's super light. It's only about 2,300 pounds. 0 to 60 on this car is like 3.5 seconds-ish, maybe 3.2. It's got carbon bucket seats, racing seats, power windows, power mirrors. It's got an integrated radar detection system. It's Polk audio sound system. Really bitchin' car. It's got a push button electric start. You know, these cars are fairly affordable compared to European supercars and exotics like Ferraris, Lambos, Maseratis. If you blow the motor in this car, you can get a new crate motor for about $5,500, and you can actually enjoy these cars and drive them. The cool thing about them is no one knows what they are. Everyone knows a Ferrari badge, everyone knows a Lambo, but nobody knows a Rossion. So for the money, I mean, these cars are unbelievable. Super fun car. Check us out, guys. Thanks for watching.